Alright guys, so this is part 2 on how to replace the belts on this awesome, super rare boombox. This is the JC Penney. The model is the 681-3915. Alright. And on the first video, I show you how to remove the front casing. So the cassette deck is revealed, and see if it's easy. So it's actually easy to remove the belts, and it's actually pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You just need to be careful with the cables, some of the connections, just to not snap them out of place, you know. And you need to remove the covers for the graphic equalizer and the recording level sliders, balance, and volume. All right, that's pretty much it. And the plastic see-through door, that's pretty much it. All right, and then I show you on the first video how to remove the cassette deck. So on this one, I'm gonna show you that it's pretty easy to replace the belts. Since this boombox is gonna be for me, I'm not gonna sell it. It's gonna be for my personal collection. And since I'm gonna keep it for me, I'm gonna keep the original belts, except for maybe the one for the counter. I'm gonna replace that one. Other than that, I'm gonna keep the belts, but I wanna remove them and also show you how to replace them. In case you have this boombox or one similar to this boombox, I've seen this model of cassette mechanism in other boomboxes, but I can't remember right now, but I will find out. Okay, so on this one you need to remove one on the top, there's the one for the top. I'm guessing all of them are the same size except for this one. I think this one's longer. Okay. See, that's one. And the square one. You know what? I think I'm gonna use the square one is in pretty good condition. Let me see if I can revive the flat one. All right, while the belts are ready, I'm gonna show you the front of the boombox. I'm also gonna check if speakers got any rips or anything like that. They seem to be in excellent condition too. Alright, as you can see, removing the grills is gonna be a bit hard, not difficult though. I need to remove the speakers, and as you can see, the speaker grills have some flaps just bent like that. So all I need to do is just strengthen them up like that with the pliers, with the screwdriver, and remove some of the glue that's holding them down. That's pretty much it. Okay, that's why I couldn't open the door, because there's this spring right here. It won't let it open. And now it's opening, see? And then when I get the cassette deck back in place, the hook is gonna hold the door down like that. So the spring is so you can just push it down, push it open like that. I'm guessing. All right. If the belt still stretches a lot, then I'm gonna have to replace it. Like I said, the square one, it still holds its original shape, but the flat one is just a little bit stretchy, so we're gonna see if we can rescue it. All right, we're just gonna install it back. Okay, so this one I can install it after I install this one first, because you gotta install the flat one first. And as you can see, it's almost at the same size as the as a pulley. Okay. It's in place. I'm gonna get these ones first. See, and we didn't need to disconnect any cables or anything like that. And then the square one is pretty easy to install. You just install it in this pulley first. Okay, I'm gonna need the other hook. I think it's this one. it's in place. Okay, so the flat belt was flipped, so I just put it back in place. And then I'm gonna remove this plate so I can replace the one for the counter. It is actually still working too. But I better replace it. This one's good. All right, for now, I'm just gonna put it all back together just to see if it works. But like I said, I need to clean the heads and all that, and I need to repaint the speaker grills, like I said. Okay. Everything is back in place. Let me see if the belt is working better. Yep. Play with pause. Okay. first one. The second one. Fourth one. Actually, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. See, this is why I like to get boom boxes that are in amazing condition, because when they're like that, you don't need to do any cleaning or anything like that. You just replace the bells. I'm talking about the cosmetic side of the boombox. You don't need to do much about it. Just replacing the bell, just restoring the cassette deck pretty much. And then you put everything back together and you got an awesome boombox. Also, when you find boomboxes like this that are in excellent condition, that means that the owner took really good care of them throughout the years. Alright, we're gonna plug everything back in place. And see how the cassette deck sounds. Well, I can see one of the wires from here, so I'm gonna fix that. Well, you see, I was right about the clip for the cassette deck for the eject button. See? Okay, I'm just gonna install the one of the screws, the one in the middle, just to hold the case in place. Should do it. Okay.
el otro conflicto.
Northern Israeli communities. Is it your understanding that any Lebanese armed forces soldiers have been involved in any firefight?
All right. Got some pianos right here. Let's start with the pianos. Let's see how they sound. Okay. Let's see if it fast forwards. Excellent. Rewind. Okay. Let's see if it finds the song. Actually, let's see if it goes back to the same song. So there you go, guys. It works and sounds amazing, and I didn't have to replace the belts. Original belts were in an amazing condition. All it needs pretty much at this point is I just need to clean the speaker grills, both of them, and repaint them. Put them back in and it's gonna look awesome. Little bit of cleaning here and there. I'm gonna clean the front, the whole front. Other than that, it looks and sounds amazing, and everything works. All right, thanks for watching, guys.